Hey folks, Amanda here with another Restore tip for you. One question we are being asked is, how can I save my player data after we've played a Restore game? So today in this quick video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So first, when selecting a game that you wish to save progress data and be able to reference back to, we will want to select an activity from the Play in Practice area on your home screen. You can see here is a red plus sign. Once I click that, I'm given our full option of functional skill sets that you can work on, and we'll be able to select a game and then play that activity. After you've selected and played through the game, you should get a summary that looks something like this. I just played a standing left upper extremity activity. Here I have the breakdown of my movements, the total duration of my activity, and also the ability to indicate any level of assistance, standing tolerance, or applied resistance that I wish to indicate. So we will do that now. And we'll be able to add any additional notes that we would like and also indicate whether there was that assistive device in use. Once I click Save and Continue, I will be given the option to play again. We just played Hoop Stars, pick a similar game, or go back to our list of activities to work on this particular functional skill, or I can simply end the session. When ending the session, I will see a few more options to add, again, notes if I wish, to indicate whether that particular patient had refused a therapy session, and also now save that to the player of my choice or who that person was I was just working with. You can see as I click into the field here, it will give me a list of players I can select from the drop down, or if I have a new player, someone who does not yet have saved data, I can select add a new player, type their first and last name, and simply click save. But instead, I am going to save this to player John Smith and hit save and exit. And now we can see John Smith's most recent activity. If I just were to scroll down, I can see here we have some different activity progress over time, standing endurance, sitting endurance, left and right upper extremity movement. And that is how you can save data to a player. Thanks for joining for this Restore tip.